There's a miracle in the Bible that slips by so quietly most people never notice it at all. It didn't happen in a palace, or on a battlefield, or in front of a crowd. It happened beside a river, because of one anxious man, and a simple tool that sank beneath the water. This is the story of the floating axe head. In the days of the prophet Elisha, a group of young men was learning to serve God. Their gathering place had grown too small, so they traveled down to the Jordan River to build a larger meeting space. The air was warm. The water moved steadily, and the sound of chopping echoed among the trees. They were just ordinary men doing ordinary work. One of these men borrowed an axe, a precious tool in those days, costly and hard to replace. He wasn't a prophet. He wasn't a leader. Just a hard-working student trying to help. But life has a way of turning simple days into moments we never forget. As he raised the axe to strike another branch, the iron head suddenly loosened, slipping off the wooden handle and flying into the river. A splash. A moment of silence. Then a wave of panic. Iron tools were valuable. Borrowed tools came with responsibility. And losing one could bring shame, debt, or hardship. The man cried out, "Oh no, my master! It was borrowed." Elisha stepped beside him, calm and quiet. No lecture. No frustration. Just a simple question beneath his breath: where did it fall? The man pointed to a spot on the water. Elisha cut a branch from a nearby tree and tossed it into the river. And then, the impossible happened. The iron axe head began to rise, slowly, gently, lifting through the water until it floated on the surface. "Take it," Elisha said. And the man reached out his hand. Relief washing over him like the river itself. A borrowed tool was restored. A man's honor was protected. A small miracle for a small moment. But it mattered. Deeply. This quiet story reminds us that God sees the little things. The anxieties we whisper. The losses we're embarrassed to admit. The situations that feel small to everyone else, but heavy to us. Sometimes the miracles we need aren't dramatic, or public, or loud. Sometimes they look like something lost being gently returned. A reminder that nothing in our lives is too small for God to notice, or too ordinary for Him to care. Thank you for listening. If you enjoy these quiet, powerful Bible stories, subscribe and join me for the next episode.